Hey, Jennifer Priest here. I'm really glad that you're here because if you are watching this video, it means that you want to figure out how to install Google Analytics to your existing WordPress website. Maybe you've been using the WordPress Analytics, which are like not very good. So there's a couple steps. This is going to make it easy. If you are not really techie, you can totally do this yourself. The first thing you're going to do is in Google, search for WordPress insert headers, footers, plugin. And you're going to see the insert headers and footers plugin. This is really handy for anytime you need to put some code in to your site, but you don't want to mess with the code because Google Analytics is going to say, insert this code before the head tag in your website's code. And you're going to be like, what? So don't worry about that. Download this plugin. It's going to download as a zip file. Don't open it. Don't do anything to it or anything like that. Next step is go to your blog or your website, your WordPress site, and you're going to click, if you're not already logged in, log in, go to the dashboard. When you log in, usually it opens up to this screen. You're going to go to plugins. You're going to click add new, and you're going to choose to upload a plugin. Now this is going to open up a new window. You're going to choose file, and in your downloads or wherever your default downloads happen, you're going to look for the insert headers and footers plugin. I have it here twice. We don't need it here twice, but click that, open it, and install it. I'm not going to install it because it's already installed on my site. So once you install it, then you're going to need to go to the plugins window, scroll down until you find insert headers and footers, and you're going to click activate. Right? Mine's already activated, so it gives me the option to deactivate. Yours won't be activated, so you're going to click activate, and then once that's activated, you're going to go to settings, and there will be a new option called insert headers and footers, so you're going to click that. Now, as you're adding different pieces of code to your site, you can add them in whatever places they need to be added here in this plugin. So normally you wouldn't have anything in here, right, at all. This would be totally blank in this area, but I have other scripts and things installed here, so that's because this is handier than trying to install it in the code myself. So if you wouldn't already have stuff in there, but once you do, just go to the bottom, click enter, and then a couple times, and then you can drop your code in there that you need. So the next step is to get the code from Google Analytics. The way Google Analytics works is you install a piece of code onto your site and it records different actions. And then that info is fed into Google Analytics so they can look at page views and clicks and what pages got views and how many uniques and all that kinds of good stuff that you need if you're trying to blog and make money. And you know, sponsors are like, how many unique views do you have? And you're like, I don't know. Well, this will help you figure that out. So you're just going to go to Google, type in Google Analytics, and when you open that up, if you already have blogs, it'll be there. But if you're new and you don't have any blogs, you're going to go to admin. No, we don't want to do it for that blog. All right, so you're going to go to admin and you're going to click the drop down menu. If there's nothing there, you're just going to create a new account, right? I have multiple blogs I'm looking at on here. Create a new account, and it's going to ask you to write the name. So I'm just going to say like test website. My new website name is test website. You can have be whatever your website name is. So URL, I'm just going to use one that we have that we're not using. In fact, I'm just going to call it Squirrel Power Rocket. Name my website, industry, I don't know, arts and entertainment, blah, blah, blah. That's the right time zone. Yeah. So get tracking ID. Pretty simple. You need to accept Google's terms of service, spend a couple hours reading that, or just know that like there's stuff that just comes with Google. Now, this is your tracking ID for your website. You'll be able to see it anytime that you want to get to it. But so this number is your tracking ID. You always be able to see it if you go to Google Analytics and log in under your Google account. What you want to do is click inside this box here with the website tracking. It's going to highlight all of the code. Click Control C, or I think it's Command C on a Mac. I'm not sure. Whatever you do to copy. Go over to the Insert Headers and Footers plugin in the settings on your website. Click Control V to paste that script, and then click Save. I'm going to go ahead and erase that script because I don't want that on my site because I already have other stuff here. Click Save, and bam, you have Google Analytics installed. Now, it's going to take a while for it to start tracking data, probably 2 days. So, and sometimes it's as fast as like 24 hours. Just keep checking back. So you'll go to Home on your Google Analytics, and you can click your blog, and you can look at your website data, etc., and see all those fun things. So I hope that was helpful in showing you how to make your own Google Analytics installed on your site if you are not a WordPress expert. It's kind of a recap. You're going to go get the Insert Headers and Footers plugin from WordPress, install that, set up Google Analytics, which is super quick within Google Analytics, get the tracking code, copy and paste it into the header section of the Insert Headers and Footers plugin, click Save, and bam, Google Analytics is installed. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comment section, or if you have any concerns or anything like that. And I'm looking forward to you guys making some more money because now you know your analytics. Bye.